Welcome to Primal Brewery in Huntersville, North Carolina. Primal opened their doors on December 26th in 2014.
And they have a really expansive selection of beers, ciders, all kind of good stuff, wine, and even slushy drinks.
Oh, yeah. You have take-home bottles. You can get a can of the Creeper, which is one of my favorites.
Oh, there's the slushy machine. Man, those things are super refreshing.
Delicious.
Lots of stuff going on all the time, guys. From Friday flight nights to weekly wine nights. And look at that 3-day St. Patrick's Day bender coming up.
That's going to be a fun time. You can go outside. They have plenty of activities outside, from darts to a pool table.
Ooh, an extra outside bar. Ooh, and there's the Primal guy.
Next time you're in Huntersville, make sure you stop by.